Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Give or Lose It, because I believe whatever is not given is lost, especially knowledge. That's my 500 free video lessons teaching guitar. Now, as most of you know, I'm self-taught. I'm actually a dancer. This is my dance school. I'm a Latino dancer, salsa, bachata. Salsa, of course, is my main thing, and guitar is my big hobby. I've been playing for more than 16 years now, and learn how to sing with it as well, learn how to play fingerstyle, flamenco, different things. Some of you might know me or not know me. Alexandros Iacovidis, Greek Cypriot. Yes, from the country where they give those golden passports to criminals. But sorry guys, I have nothing to do with politicians. They're actually below. I don't look at them, and I believe 99% of them are corrupt. I'm making this video, which is a little bit different, understanding here without my guitar, to ask you for your support. I have the first link, it's donations to get a better camera. This is my phone. I have to do close-ups and very good without shaking from the Florence light. This is how my house and school are, and I need to get a better camera. I'm shy 400 euros away. I'm not saying give out 400 euros, 5, 10 will be enough, and hopefully I get enough to buy the camera. I've been trying for the past half a year, and I've gathered up so much, 100 euros. So we're a little bit far away from 500 and 600. So if you like to support and allow me to do more guitar videos and more beautiful quality and sound quality, click the first link in the description. Or if you like to help yourself as well, the second link in the description is my guitar fingerstyle book, where you can play same chords but different pattern with the right hand and have that different style all the time. You can play blues, you can play ballads, you can play rock, you can play flamenco, playing so very simple. But check out from my Fingerstyle Guitar E-book, where I have also 50 MP3 examples, so you can hear everything that I play. Either way, you're helping the channel grow, and after the camera, I will run after better lights, I promise. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Remember, it's up to you. Many people say somebody else will give. It's been a half a year, barely made it to 100 euros. So you can imagine. Help out, click that link in the description and give out our donation. Thank you.